Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homeopathy the Healing Power. Friends, today on this Women's Day special video, we are going to study top 5 female homeopathic medicines. Friends, let's take a quick review on these top 5 female homeopathic medicines. But before that, you have to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. So let's get started. Starting first with Calcaria carp. Calcaria carp is suited to women who are fair, fat and flabby, who easily become fatigued. There is a fatness without fitness, with tendency to get obesity in youth. In Calcaria carp females, there is sweating without heat and head sweats profusely, especially while sleeping, which wets the pillow far around. In these females, there is a great desire for eggs and ice cream, and these females easily suffer from diseases of bone and especially calcium deficiency. Next comes Natrum mur. Natrum mur is generally suited to females who have shiny, oily and waxy look of face. They are emaciated, and this emaciation is well marked in neck region. There is a great emaciation, that is losing flesh while eating well. Whatever may be the complaint of this female, the complaints are always aggravated from 10 to 11 am. Consolation aggravates their trouble. Natrum mur females are also excessive irritable, and consolation aggravates their irritability. Most of the Natrum mur females suffers due to a silent grief in their past history. Next comes Platina. Platina female have dark hair and dark complexion. They also have rigid muscular fibers. Since this medicine is itself prepared from the expensive metal platinum, same is the symptomatology of Platina female. There is an superiority complex in the highest degree which runs in Platina females. And this superiority complex is seen as Platina females look down upon others with contemptuous eyes, and she thinks that everyone, physically or mentally, are smaller than her. Platina females generally suffers from menstrual complaints. Friends, then comes Pulsatilla. Pulsatilla is suited to females who are fair, with beautiful look, who have soft and lax muscles, and these females generally suffers from anemia. Pulsatilla females have changeability of symptoms like pain shifts from one part to another part, changes in mood and so on. This changeability of symptom is seen physically and mentally. Friends, whenever a Pulsatilla female will visit your clinic, Pulsatilla female will never complete her symptoms without weeping. Patient weeps easily. There is a weeping disposition. Whatever may be the complaint, Pulsatilla females have thirstlessness. There is no thirst almost in every complaint with dry white coated tongue. Pulsatilla is specially suited to teenage girls who suffer in their puberty. Last but not the least comes Sepia. Sepia is generally suited to females who are weak with yellow and earthy complexion. There is yellowishness of face and conjunctiva seen. Also, Sepia female have male type of pelvis. Sepia females suffer from weakness with lack of heat. Also, there is a bearing down sensation, and to avoid this sensation, Sepia female always sit with cross leg to prevent something coming down from vagina. Sepia females shows indifference. Indifference to everything. Indifference to their occupation, indifference to their family, indifference to the loved ones, to domestic and personal affairs also. Sepia female have great sadness, depression and anxiety, and this sadness, depression, anxiety is seen through face, which is described as telltale face. And these females generally suffers from prolapse and menstrual complaints. So friends, this is our Women's Day special video, a quick review on top 5 female homeopathic medicines. And surely we will explain this female homeopathic medicines in detail in coming future. So for that, stay connected with us, subscribe the channel, like and share this video. Thank you for watching.